Do you feel like you're not getting the results you expect with your content? Then maybe you're doing these 5 things that kill the discoverability of your videos. Watch to the end to learn more. Number 1, you're promoting your videos to the wrong market or over-advertising your videos too much. Contrary to popular belief, this does more harm than good. A good example of this is sub for sub or subscribe for subscribe, as well as spamming links to your channel or videos in the comment section of other videos on YouTube that are relevant to your video. This also hurts the organic reach of your content. Assuming you've already built a nice audience for your channel, you can ruin that by having inorganic viewers browse your channel. Watch a few of your videos and never come back. The second mistake you may notice is the overuse of annotations or cards in your video. I know, I've said it before, that cards in your videos are a great way to promote your own content to your current viewers, but they should only be used in the middle of your videos. Why? Because, well, they do help the discoverability of your other content. It kills watch time. For example, if you insert a card in the first half of your video and half of your viewers click on it, your current session's watch time would be ruined. And there's no guarantee they'll continue watching until the end of the new video. Another thing that kills audience retention is long intros. We're talking about long intros that take up at least 5 seconds of your video to show your aesthetically edited brand name, and an additional 10 seconds to explain who you are and what your channel's about. These practices have long since been abandoned by experienced YouTubers because they take up too much time and cause your viewers to skip that part, which hurts both your channel's viewing time and audience retention. The next mistake you may have overlooked is being overconfident and at ease. You may have already done a lot to grow your channel, and now you may already be reaping the rewards of your work. So you stopped focusing 100% on your videos. And that, my friend, is a big mistake you're making. Don't stop giving your all. Never stop learning. Always strive to improve yourself. Even if you already see beautiful successes in your growth, always dream of more. And last but not least, don't steal content. This is actually self-explanatory. Nothing in this world is free, and nothing is worth having if you just stole it from other people. In the YouTube community, stealing content is characterized by the fact that you reuse other people's video content without completely turning it into a new masterpiece. Not only that, but you also risk having your lovely channel permanently banned from YouTube after 3 copyright violations. And besides, no one wants to see content stolen from its original creator. So there you have it, folks. 5 big mistakes YouTube creators make that put their hard-earned channel in bad shape and destroy their viewers' engagement. You should never do anything that will harm the engagement of your audience, because this parameter is one of the determining factors whether YouTube will suggest your content to the right users. Therefore, you should know how to maintain and improve your video's audience management so that they don't drop throughout your video. So, if you want to know more about how to maintain viewer engagement and how to build it into your videos, be sure to check out to the end of this video, and I'll see you in my next video.